That smells like chemicals.
What?
Chemicals. Okay, do you remember where it's starting?
Right. Right here, right?
A little bit down the way.
Right there?
Yeah.
No backing out now.
I know. Well, I can always dye my hair back.
Yeah, that's what I told her. If you don't like the color.
Yeah, because see, I was really nervous, and I was like, well, what if I don't like it? See, it don't really look that, like, it don't look like it's that much on there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, her hair is like, you can see the color brown on her hair, so it don't really look like there's nothing on there.
Josh, I know you was lying when you said yeah, because I didn't even understand her.
Yeah, what? No, look.
What does she mean?
Okay, so I'm finding the bleach, and the bleaches look like toothpicks, okay?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you can still see your hair through it.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Natalie, where are you going?
Whoa, don't get a whiff of that stuff. Whoa, don't get a whiff of that stuff. It burns.
I know when I was done face care, we done it in the bathroom.
I don't think
And we had to open up the window.
I have any more of those hairs. I think it burned it all off.
Welcome to the Ratchet Salon. Where we
Welcome.
have, what's your name?
Oh, Shakwikwi.
And we have Shanae.
I'm about to say
Wait, I
that.
want to be Shanae.
Okay, this is Shanae right here.
And she quickly.
She's on YouTube right
There
now.
was a bug. There was a bug. Like
We're just applying like home remedy bleach.
I'll get a close up so you can see that bleach. What he putting on Shanae.
She bleached
turned it.
herself, you know. That's what bleach does to you. Turns you from black to white. Look at the colors I've already put on there. Down at the bottom.
Oh, it's pink right there.
Pink.
am I able to
The towel
touch
is
it?
like reflective.
No, I wouldn't touch it. You don't have gloves on.
Uh-uh.
Oh,
She just touched it.
there's a black thing right there. I wouldn't wipe it on your clothes, but it's gonna bleach your clothes.
Uh-oh.
Now, Alex is watching my 100-layer challenge.
If y'all have not watched his last video, y'all need to go watch it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already.
What's it called?
Something Avatar. I don't remember the whole title, but I did watch it. Hold on.
It's called. I forgot the name of it.
I did too. Let me go back.
That's pretty bad. It's my own video. I forgot.
Like video. See, I liked it.
Did you see the Lilo and Stitch part?
Yeah. It is called Avatar Makeup Tutorial Halloween. Y'all need to go watch that and like it.
2016.
Huh?
Halloween 2016.
Halloween 2016.
Like video games? Actually
Yeah,
video game
fun.
companies,
How do you like this,
they
Natalie?
will pay you like
Does it
hundreds of
feel
dollars
weird?
to play their brand new game before they put it out.
Oh,
Because they want people
Smells
like
weird.
reviews before they
Make
release
a
it.
weird face.
So you can
Make a weird
$100
face.
playing just testing your game.
Right, testing each game.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's the results so far. Oh, I just turned the camera. So,
can I bleach my cat?
y'all do the car thing out here.
Because we're not in a car.
Exactly.
But why do y'all have to do
You
it in the
just
car?
answered your own question.
Because it's a car thing.
Oh, okay.
Why are you doing the car thing out here?
Hold on, let me zoom in.
Yeah.
Hey, Natalie, show me the picture
like it?
again.
Yeah.
Natalie, show me the picture. That's what it looks like. Now for the next part.
I'm having trouble putting gloves on.
Wrong.
A lot worse than the bleach.
What's wrong?
Do not smell toner.
Now I definitely don't have any nose hairs left or nostril hairs. I thought the bleach was bad.
Okay, here.
So they're pouring it in.
Okay, sit here.
It still smells like that.
Yeah.
I didn't think it would since all of it's out. God. Whoa. We gonna get high off of it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. You put the wrong lids on them.
Oh. Why didn't you tell me? See, that's how ratchet we are. Look at that.
The Ratchet Salon. Ratchet
Come on down. If you
Salon.
want to come on down, come on down.
Okay, keep the 20. Where's all the 20s? Keep all the 20s to themselves. Well, hang on.
What does 30s do again?
What? Sorry.
Oh, let me put this back over here. I forgot.
Your facial.
That was not
your
even-
facial.
That wasn't even
Like
the
they're-
fake cough either.
Your facials, like, yeah, you know what I mean.
My facial expression.
Yeah, expressions. They're funny.
I got big old
You want some jello on your hair?
Yeah, girl.
Got some Jello at the Ratchet
Yeah, girl.
Salon.
It'd be rod. I heard it be.
You heard right. Something like that. Wasp or something.
What?
There's a wasp or something.
Can I show him Luana?
Yeah, show Luana.
Come here, Luana.
Was that Luana?
Luana?
We brought this all the way from Louisiana.
Luana, Louisiana.
That face. Oh god. Oh my god. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Yeah, so we wasted some, accidentally dropped and like slung out. So we're having to use the very little what we have left.
We're still gonna have them with it, okay?
Where'd the thing go?
Hello.
Okay. So your hair's still wet though.
Yeah. It's sticky. I think I didn't rinse them all out.
You gotta wash it. You probably didn't get it out then.
I don't know.
If you wanna go wash, if you wanna go wash it with shampoo, go wash it with shampoo.
But it's like dry though. That's what I don't understand. I don't know.
Put some oil in it.
Where's that?
Right there.
What do I do?
Get some in your hand, rub it in your hair.
That's it?
Yep.
See, I kind of want mine a whole lot wider on the end.
Wasn't really yours. Are you fine with that color?
Yeah. I can't really see it right now.
Someone called.
How's it feel, Nicole?
I don't know. I mean, I guess it's good.
How's it feel to be at the Ratchet Salon?
It feels great.
Feels great, girl.
It feels great. But my hair is ratchet right now. It's like the unbrushed part. Look at it. Yeah.
So, who's the most ratchet person at the
Now
salon?
you look at my hair. Look at it.
Girl, that's some high dollar weave. That is some high dollar weave right there.
Oh. That's just weird. That's her face. It's like,
Huh?
I'm trying to get it focused like it's focused, but I'm trying to I don't know, get y'all both in it. Yeah, there you go. Do that again, Nicole.
wow. I know it's itching.
Dude.
What's your name again? What's your name?
My name's Shanae.
You should dance in the background.
If you want to come on down to Shanae Town.
No.
Oh yeah, what's your name?
Who's Nicole's? Nicole.
Shaquiqui.
The real question is, what is your real name? Okay. What is your real name, Josh?
BB.
BB?
What'd you just do?
I'm like the camera person.
You should get back here and dance with it.
Okay.
I mean, like, dance in the background.
Okay.
That sounds like water.
Sounds like water.
Jelly! Jelly!
Feels like we're putting jello in your hair.
I'm sitting humpback.
What?
Oh. I said I'm sitting humpback.
Ombre.
Humpback.
Humpback well.
Humpback
Just
well.
keep swimming.
Oh, guys. I think it's gonna take place hair.
They took ours off already.
I need a gas mask. That's burning my nose hole.
Sorry.
I can smell it really bad.
You want some jello?
You want a free hair removal in your nose?
No.
Sniff that. That's a very good, like, how much was that? Like a couple dollars? Good couple dollars.
I
Like,
think there's a
thing.
receipt. Look and see.
A good couple dollar hair removal instead of buying like a thing for like $30. What sits there and goes in your nose.
It's also a brain killer.
Yeah, brain
Brain killer.
kill brain cells.
Sorry.
You're fine.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Is this still recording?
Yeah. Pull my
Yo, what up?
My Ratchet Salon victims.
How you doing?
They got Steve Urkel now.
Yep, Steve Urkel joined the club. Except he's missing his glasses. I got glasses. But what I do have is a big old stick.
See how it's tough now.
Yeah.